Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the PicsArt app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. PicsArt is a photo and video editing app available on both mobile and desktop. It's designed to give everyday users access to creative tools that are often found in professional editing software. With PicsArt, you can retouch photos, add filters, create collages, apply AI effects, edit short videos, and even design graphics for social media. The app positions itself as an all-in-one editing platform for casual users, content creators, and small businesses. In practice, many users enjoy PicsArt's wide range of editing features. The interface is relatively intuitive, and the AI-powered tools, such as background removal, style transfer, and object replacement, make editing faster and more accessible for beginners. Its template library and sticker collections are popular among users creating content for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. PicsArt also supports layered editing, which is useful for more advanced projects. On the positive side, PicsArt offers flexibility. Whether you're making quick touch-ups or more creative edits, the app covers most basic and mid-level editing needs. It also supports community sharing, so users can post their edits and gain inspiration from others. However, there are some drawbacks. While the free version provides plenty of tools, many of the advanced features, like higher resolution exports, premium effects, and certain AI tools, require a subscription. Some users report occasional lag during heavier edits, especially on older devices. Additionally, while it's strong for creative edits, PicsArt may not fully replace professional software for those who need precision tools or advanced workflows. In summary, PicsArt is worth using if you want a versatile, user-friendly app for photo and video editing, especially for social media content. It's less ideal if you're looking for professional-grade editing or want to avoid subscription costs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.